Welcome to our channel. We are Jacob and Aneta. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do subscribe and enjoy the show. Guys, we are camping again. There you go. But this is not just a regular camping. We're gonna be camping with a special guest, a YouTube legend, I would say. You guys might know who it is because he's been mentioned on this channel numerous times. So we just got here, just getting ready. Aneta is still unpacking the car.
Somebody has to do it.
Someone's got to do it, right? There's a cameraman and there is the assistant. So yeah, we're just getting ready. So we have this site here, which is number 27, and that's gonna be the special person site number 28. What the hell? Well, this is pretty much end of the camping season here in Alberta, well, around Calgary, because soon we're gonna have the white stuff. But it's beautiful because the trees are turning colors. And one thing, this highway, well, the sites we have, it's right by the highway, so it will be highway noise, but hey, we won't hear anything in the car. So that's a good one. Enjoying Chilkoot Yukon Brewery. So now you should have a hint who is coming here. if you watching my channel regularly. Anyway, guys, we are at Lac des Arcs. I might screw it up completely, but Lac des Arcs campground right by Canmore, by Heart Mountain. That's actually a Heart Mountain. And there's people who hike right to the top. Apparently it's very, very sketchy. Did you find it? No? We forgot two things. One, a bottle opener, which we might need for a special. I was busy packing the food. You were doing stuff that were not.
I was doing something else.
Yeah,
Innocent.
which was not important.
Yes, it was important for me.
For you, but not towards the camp. Anyway, we forgot the bottle opener and a garbage bag. The YouTube legend has arrived. Well, guys, the YouTube legend has arrived. Come on, you are a legend. I've been watching this guy. You guys know pretty much every video I mention him. So we got country ranching after, holy shit, 2000. I started watching you 2011.
Yeah, like 10 years plus.
We're finally here together camping.
Yes.
So
After we've been planning it for the whole year.
yeah, and Jerry says we'll never went camping. I said, never say never. Here we are. So we already have a situation, and it hurt herself really bad.
Come on, I just got a little boo-boo. It's not like I'm gonna die. Jeez.
I'm just kidding. So Jerry's just getting set up, so super excited. Finally, after so many years and so many plannings, we made it together. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy, have some fire. We're gonna treat him the Polish style a little bit here. So we're gonna do our Toruńska that you guys heard of. We have the special Polish beer, so it should be a really fun night. Because we're only here for one night. That's right. We're not staying the whole weekend, but tomorrow we are heading back to the city. What happened? What happened?
In a first ticket?
What is it?
It's a compass.
It's a whistle, bell whistle. Yeah.
Nice. I can make a surgery on you.
There you
I
go.
got a little scalpel.
All right, the campground's starting to get busy. Everybody pulling in with their big rigs. Jerry just finishing up, setting up his camp over there, and then we're gonna go for a walk, check out the things. But we forgot the bug spray. Good thing we have the thermostat. And as always, we couldn't come here without having any power to charge our phones, cameras, and everything else. So for the power, as always, we are using the trusted Blue Aid. That thing hasn't failed us once yet, so. Gonna get eaten alive.
It's your fault.
Running over to Jerry's camp. Look, he also has a Jeep and another Jeep. He's got 2 Jeeps. He had 3 Jeeps before.
There you go.
Oh, you're setting up a shed?
Yeah, since you said that the bathrooms are front all the way.
Yeah, they are quite a bit of a walk. So. Oh, let's see. Trailer. This guy built everything by himself in this thing. Pretty much. I would say 95%.
I bought that and rebuilt it. Because it was, I didn't have time to fabricate a frame and to build it. I figured I'd faster to buy someone else's project and then finish it off.
So as you guys heard many times in my videos, Jerry, your YouTube channel, he's got only 2 so far.
Yeah. Backcountry wrenching. I used to do a lot of mechanical videos and backcountry wrenching, but since my Jeep's broken down, I've been kind of resorting to campground camping now until I get it fixed this winter. And my other channels is basically DIY of all the videos I do, because people don't want to watch a big vlog.
Yeah.
They just want to watch a quick video to see how something's done.
Yeah, he's got if you need something fixed and you don't know how, watch his video. He's probably has fixed it. And he's got a super cool chair. This is the heated Cabela's chair, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's awesome. So
Best camping chair.
yeah, guys, go over to Jerry's channel, check him out, click the subscribe button. I just looked at those today, actually. I was thinking of getting them before I found your
The chill coot?
the chill code. Yeah, that's right. We're looking over there if there's a cave on the top or not, but way on the top.
You gotta go past the gravel pits. I think it's.
Oh no, not the cave. We not the one we were talking about that we seen.
Oh,
The one over there. Here, maybe you guys can.
that's where Sasquatch is.
Yeah. I know a guy who might be hiding. That's how it is when you go for a walk with a bunch of YouTubers. Everybody has cameras in their hands. And there's one looking for mushrooms.
Found the bathrooms here.
There's somewhere over there.
What if someone had to take a shit really bad? We probably walked like 300 meters from our campsite.
There it is, right there.
Oh, there it is. Watch out.
Whoop. Almost walked into one.
I'll just go in the woods.
My luck, there's gonna be no.
Nice campsites, right? So there's a lake over there. We're gonna go check it out. Show you guys. Looks like we might have a visitors.
Yeah, a bear took a big dump.
Good thing I have the bear spray in my hand. And here got the lake. It's very low. Oh, that's the lake. Now we're going back. Hopefully we won't see the bear along the way.
No, dead?
There you go. You gotta have the special hand.
Open up the oven.
Back at home. There you have that Polish beer treating you.
Really good. You got the people dancing there.
Yep.
So with you guys being Polish, I have to ask you this real quick. It's like people want to know for hundreds of years, who invented vodka? Poles or the Russians?
Poles.
People.
Poles.
I've
You
heard
can,
that. I
you
watched,
can Google it.
I watched the show that said the Poles actually invented it first, but Russians seem to claim the fame.
Well guys, it is almost like 6 o'clock, so it's about dinner time. We're gonna cook up some sausages. Aneta's looking for a bug spray because the bugs have been eating her like crazy, but super nice. I was hoping to catch the sunset, but I don't know. I think it's too smoky, so I don't know if we're gonna see it or not. Soon we're gonna start the fire, and oh, Jerry actually brought the pellet grill, so we're gonna do the sausages this time differently on the pellet grill. So guys, yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet and you enjoy our videos, please do hit the subscribe button. It helps us and it's completely free to you. Coming to Jerry's for a feast. It's like coming to a 5-star restaurant.
Got some salmon for the bears.
Oh, great. I thought the bear actually ate you, and then Jacob told me, no, you were already back.
Nice salmon. Did you catch it yourself?
Caught it from the store. Superstore, actually.
A little bit of everything. Sausage out, sausage for supper, sausage for breakfast.
Hey, there's not enough sausage. If he wants to be Polish, get used to it.
I want to move to Poland.
And there you go.
Very nice.
Cabellas?
Cabela's.
King of the castle.
Best chair you can for camping. Best chair.
This is a very comfortable chair.
Got a cup holder here.
Oh, it's got a cup holder, and I seen the thing. It's on sale right now at Cabela's.
Is it?
Yeah, I think I seen it. Yeah. So Cabela's heated chair. Work for Cabela's. I could use one. So if you want a sponsorship, contact me below.
Tuna steak instead of eating it out of a can. Tastes a million times better.
Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, you did a good job cooking it, Jerry. Okay. Well, that's it. The salmon steaks. Jeez. And the sausages.
Sausages.
They still probably, I would leave them on them for a little bit. Maybe
Little bit?
just turn them around, yeah. Oh yeah, they're still a little bit, yeah. So we're trying some tuna, but since you were not here, well, just kidding. Well, finally we have the promised Toruńska sausage, the Polish sausage for Jerry from Backcountry Ranching. That's a nice big piece of sausage there you got.
Pretty thick.
Gotta fill you up.
Everybody's still eating. How's the sausage? Very good?
Very good.
Made Jerry happy.
It's all about making people happy and a tummy happy. That's more important.
Oh,
Let there be a light. I was hoping to get a little bit of the sunset, but I'm scared to go closer where the
Seriously, you are
bears.
scared to go to the lake? I went by myself with the bear spray to the bathroom and I was fine, and I even went to the lake and took some pictures. And
I'm fine where I am. Neta is helping me. The midnight adventures to find a bathroom. That's not really fun, but we find it without any accidents. Well, good morning guys, it's another day. Beautiful morning. The night was awesome, super warm, and this morning I was just looking for the sunrise, but I was kind of too late. So it's about 7:30 right now. I would say maybe even quarter to 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see some people already having fire and a breakfast over there. Some people up over there. Neta is still sleeping. 8 o'clock sharp, that's her time. I think Jerry might be even up. I think I saw his trailer door open there a little bit. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful morning with the beautiful surroundings, mountains. Couldn't hear nothing at night. It was so quiet and beautiful. Well guys, our camping night comes to the end. So we enjoyed having great time with Jerry. It was awesome hanging out with him for a good night. We had good food, good drinks, and good company, so that's important. But the campground itself, it's okay, other than you only have 2 washrooms and they're kind of far if you are on the opposite side of the campground.
campground attendance, it's in the question because it says you can get the firewood from the campground attendant, but we didn't see anybody attending.
No, we just seen one RCMP and one conservation officer come by. So if you are coming here, bring your own firewood. If not, then you will have to drive to get some from another place, either Bow Valley Campground or gas station in Deadman's Flat. So anyway guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please do click the subscribe button, as it does help us and it's completely free for you. So I'm Jacob.
I'm Aneta.
And we're the Canadian Rockies Explorers, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.